If you're in aerospace machining, meet your new powerhouse, the CNC KHS-1400. This 5-axis horizontal machining center is built to dominate tough materials like titanium and Inconel with ease. With high-torque spindles and full 5-axis contouring, it delivers the precision and performance your complex parts demand. Its rigid, vibration-dampening structure and dual ball screw drives ensure smooth motion and flawless surface finishes, even under heavy cuts. Designed for serious production, it's fully unclosed, chip-efficient, and operator-friendly. From turbine blades to structural aerospace components, the KHS-1400 is engineered to keep you ahead of the curve. Precision, power, proven performance. That's Kent CNC, the CNC division of Kent USA,